everybody, welcome back. I'm gonna do a quick video. Well, I don't know how quick it's gonna be. I am going to be doing an egg, carving an egg. And I started marking it out right here. And I started putting holes in up here. This is gonna be one with all different size holes. I got to get used to carving on an eggshell. This is a goose egg. It's a lot different than carving on a piece of wood, I'll tell you. But it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it, and it makes you really sit and think. And I don't know if you can see it, but that's the little itty bitty ball end mill I'm using. So, and I will graduate up to bigger end mills, ball end mills. These are carbide, a little pricey, but you know, for how teeny tiny they are, but well worth it, well worth it. And I just want to see if I can do it. I'm going to put a bunch of little tiny holes around the top and bottom of the egg. This egg, they only have one hole where they drill through and empty out the insides, and then they sanitize it so it's good for it, you know. But I don't know how much more I'm going to put here. I want to do something kind of fancy, but I don't want to overpower my brain right now. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to set the camera up and get it up overhead and video doing a few of the holes, and we'll see how it goes. First time for everything. And as you can see, I've got it on a soft cloth instead of a hard surface. Okay, got the holes, got top and bottom. Now I'm going to work on some kind of a design here. I'm going to turn the camera off and we'll see what I can come up with. Okay, as you see, when I was going through this, I started going through it very, very gently. When I got to the end, I see this line isn't very straight, but that's okay. For the first time of doing anything like this, it'll be just fine. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do now, so I'm going to turn the camera off and we'll get back at you. Okay, got to go through it first with a small ball end mill before I go to the bigger hole. Okay, I have no idea what size ball this is. This is a diamond covered ball instead of a carbide end mill type. Works good though. Now, as you've seen, I went through that very, very gently. I had no idea how that diamond end mill or diamond round ball would do that. I can see that I'm off a little bit on my angles. But like I said, for the first one, I'm tickled to death. I haven't broke it yet. As you can see on this one here, I've practiced. I actually broke it a couple times, figuring out what to do and how to do it. But I guess that's how you get good, is practice, practice, practice. Well, I got to figure out what else I'm going to do here, so I'm going to turn the camera off and I'll get back to you later. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put 3 hearts on the back side of the egg. And to start out, I'm going to use the, I believe it's the number 8 carbide ball. So, and I got my mask on. As you can see, this one is really pointed. So that's what I'm going to go down into the points with. Alright, and there they are. Okay, the next step is to take the egg inside and soak it in bleach. Now, I used pure bleach on one of them and it did pretty good, but I think I'm going to dilute the bleach. One guy said 1 part bleach to 10 parts water. So I think I'm gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna do it that light or if I'm going to do it half and half or something like that. But I think pure bleach, it works, but boy, it really takes care of the egg too, the shell. And what you want to do is you want to get that lining off the inside. I know when you have a boiled egg and you peel it, a lot of times you'll have that real thin opaque membrane. That's what's still on the inside of this. That's why a lot of the holes don't look complete. But the bleach goes in and cleans the whole inside up real good, and you rinse it off, and everything is right there then. So I will probably do that. I'll probably video that in the house. So let me go in and we'll get going. Well, I'm hoping that you can see the bubbles. I really don't know if you can or not, but I mixed it probably with half water, half bleach, and it's just bubbling like crazy. And I see pieces popping up and bubbles popping up out of the holes. I've rolled it a couple times to make sure that all the bubbles are getting out of the shell. But I'm gonna try my best to zoom this in when I put it on the computer. I have a zoom on the video editor that I have, so we will see. I will turn the camera off. I'm going to let it set for probably another 10 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it off real good, and I will show you what we got. Well, everyone, here it is. It's all done. Membrane on the inside is all gone. I let it soak for probably a half hour all total. The light is not terrific in here, but I'm hoping you can see it okay. Now it has to sit and dry. So put it over there, and that's it. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. The wife likes it, and that's a big thing when the wife likes it. So I will end this one and get back to you after a bit, and we'll see what's next. Alrighty? Okay, bye-bye.